yeah. Real quick, I wanted to share some feedback I got from that last video. I made it for me, I made it for my friends, I made it for everybody dealing with what they're dealing with that worked in my industry. And my friend Louie, he texted me today stating that was a super powerful video, brother. I cried, laughed, and went back to crying like a high school broad on her first period. LOL. At the end of the day, it all comes down to the amazing brotherhood that so many years of sharing the road with so many great guys creates. I can't wait to see what else you come up with all those years worth the back scene show footage you have in store. I love Louis. He's a great guy. He's Cuban, so it's broken English. A hell of a guy though. Super awesome, rad dude. Thanks for the love, man, and thanks for the years of fun, good times. So yeah, that being said, so the Big Kahuna race. So during this time of quarantine, we've all just been kind of sitting at home, not doing much. I was able to locate some dumbbells off of Facebook Marketplace, so I'm able to, get a workout at home, exercise ball, and I did buy a bike. And I've been riding my bike every day to Ralph's to get daily groceries and to get my daily Starbucks fix. The outdoor recreation rules that I got from ca.gov does allow you to just get basic exercise, so you can go out in your neighborhood and walk, go for a run, go for a hike, as long as it's not in a state park or anything like that. But I wanted to show you guys what I actually looked up off the website. Can I still exercise, take my kids to the park, blah blah blah? It's okay to go outside, walk, exercise, as long as you maintain safe social distancing, blah blah blah. Parks may be closed to help spread the virus. Check local officials if park closures, blah blah blah. You can walk, run, hike, and bike in local neighborhoods as long as you practice social distancing, blah blah blah. And yeah, and that's off the official state California website. Just clarification, I wasn't breaking any rules. We used it for exercise to stay healthy and to build up our immune systems. Also, it was so nice to get out of the house, man. All right, got a head start on the Big Kahuna. So now we're going to take this time to mount onto the bike. Yeah. Big Kahuna underway.
Ooh, it's cold. Look at that, dude. I'm so fucking stoked to live here. Ooh. Yeah. But damn, does it fucking feel good to be out here.
The original destination was Sea Cliff Beach, and I brought all my camera equipment with me, including my drone. Every other beach up along the coast is a state beach, which for one, we couldn't stop at, even if we, kept moving in motion. And two, you simply just can't fly a drone at any state beach. However, we basically made it there, and we're waiting for my brother, and his bike, something broke on his bike. So we had to go back and bring him some tools. Sadly, I never got to fly my drone. But that's okay, because you know what? I got more than I could ask, all while, keeping safe distance and enjoying my time. It was great.
All right, there's a kid with his pants down. I'm not filming this.
With camera. There we go. Alright, this needs to stop.